People love flattening autism into extremes, either a tragedy to pity or a superpower to glorify. But autism is neither. It's a lifelong neurodevelopmental difference, not a disease to be cured or a magical gift to market. This binary thinking erases reality. The same sensory system that makes an autistic person notice microscopic details can make fluorescent lights feel like knives. The same deep focus that fuels breakthroughs can also make switching tasks paralyzing. Pretending autism is either tragic or extraordinary keeps us from supporting actual autistic people. Medical models define autism to secure support. Identity models honor autistic culture and pride. Both matter. But romanticizing autistic traits while dismissing autistic needs is disrespect. So here's your question. Why do you think people are more comfortable praising traits than supporting needs?